Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 17 of Vlogmas. We got a lot of stuff we got to do today to get ready for the Christmas party I'm going to tonight. And also, if I finish stuff for that, I might go out and try to finish my Christmas shopping today, but we shall see where the day takes us. One for you. One for you. First thing I needed to do today was finish the desserts for the Christmas party. So I started icing my cookies. I started with the Christmas trees and then moved on to the Santas and then added some details to the gingerbread men. I ran out of white icing for the candy canes, so I had to do half of them in red with white stripes. Then I added in the trunks for the trees and then filled in the red of the Santa hats, which that's all I did for the Santas. And then I went in and did the stockings. I waited to do those last just to make sure I had enough red and green icing for them. I added the details onto the little gingerbread and then drank my coffee. I forgot to make my cold brew again, so I had to let my coffee sit in the fridge to get cold because I was over hot coffee. Went in and finished the stockings and then started to make the fudge. It turned out perfect. Then I added in the last little details to the stockings and we finished all the cookies. Here's the whole set. I'm going to make the sausage balls for the party a little bit closer to time since they need to be warm for the party. But I haven't done my devotions for the day. This morning my dad was still home, which he'll be coming back in a little bit, but he had surgery yesterday to break up a kidney stone that he has because it's too big to pass. And they put a stent in and he's just really uncomfortable. So he didn't go into work today. So he and I were talking a little bit this morning and then I was like, I need to get those cookies done. So I'm gonna do my devotions really quick and then we'll do our Advents and then I might go out and do a little Christmas shopping. I have a gift for our gift exchange that I was planning on taking for our party tonight, but I might see if there's something else out that I could grab and take, but we'll see. So day 16, this is the clue, and if you flip it over, this is the exact layout as the different flags. So we have P, L, A, N, E, S. So that's planes, and then here's planes right here. So day 17. Okay, day 17 of our book Advent. We have already opened a cup, well, a mug, some Christmas socks that say Merry Christmas and have little snowmen on them, some hot chocolate and tea, some bookmarks, a blanket, a bag for books that we get at the bookstore, a candle, a portable reading light, some posters, a reading journal to put our book reviews in, an ornament that is on the tree, and then 5 books. We have a Christmas book, a romance, a crime novel, psychological thriller, and another romance. And so day 17 is another book. It says it is a mystery about a dog trainer, which is perfect for me because I love dogs. So let's see what it is. of Murder by Kylie Logan, which is another author that I've never read before, and I don't think I've ever heard of any of her stuff. So, another book. One and two. I was able to get a little bit of Christmas shopping done, but I had to get back to make the sausage balls for the party, and then it was party time. You guys, look at the gift I won in the gift exchange, which is hilarious. Might have to break this bad boy out at some Gamecock tailgates next year. But that is all for day 17. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, any questions, comments, whatever, put them in the comments below. I'm off again tomorrow, so my plan is to finish my Christmas shopping because I go on call through the 23rd starting Thursday, so should probably make sure that I have everything done before then in case I get called and can't do any shopping during any of those days. So that's the plan for now, but I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 18.